Okay, everybody, so today I want to dye my hair. I'm going for a red, but I'm going to do it without bleaching it, so don't expect something extravagant, you know. But on our way to the store now. Come on, Tracy, let's go. Alright, as you can see, the afro is out. I'm gonna do a quick little wash before we get started. Just a quick little one, and then I'm gonna do a more extensive hair wash afterwards. I don't feel like doing the shit twice, that's for goddamn sure. You might need.
You want both of them in here?
Yeah, I do. You might need to use my aftershave because it might be nappy because you let it dry up a little bit.
What?
You might have to, you know, pick it out a little bit before you do start.
We go ahead like this, right?
No.
You never wear like this?
No, okay.
Look in the mirror.
I can see
very
right
nice.
here.
This is how everybody wearing their hair for real.
No, it doesn't. I can tell it's ugly. I can feel it.
It's cute, but you just want to call it ugly. Then what the hell?
You didn't even pick it out before you started.
I don't gotta pick it out.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. You just want me to pick it out to save you some trouble.
You have it all over the place. I'll pick it out my goddamn.
Well, it's your choice. If you want to pick it out, pick it the hell out.
You got the middle good?
I got everything good, so when you put this in your hair, it gives it like a temporary.
I got bags under my eyes right now, or those lines. You can see it very heavily.
Do you got them? You asking that question?
Yeah, I'm asking if you can see them. I know they're there. They're always there.
I'm so much better. Oh, looking at me. I was just saying, why would I lie about something like this? You're such a nut. Forehead, I don't want to get on your forehead.
It's gotta be on my
forehead.
forehead.
Here, right there. I'm not gonna go that far. Turn around this way.
I look cute right now. Oh,
Lord, here we go.
Oh my God.
Do I have to listen to this?
Oh my God. Yeah, because look at me. Whew.
Oh my Lord.
You ever look in a mirror and you see why people like you? And yeah, that's me.
Oh my Lord. Save this child, Lord. She still has time.
You're such a hater.
She still has time, Lord. She still has time.
I think that's good enough, huh, Crystal?
I'm just brushing it in evenly. That's all I'm doing. There. Yeah, good.
Okay.
Bye.
We're finished.
I'm gonna dye my hair right now.
Shit, you need it. The fish hits you straight in your face when you walk in here. Yeah. I hate that look. This fish look angry as hell. It died. Damn, cuz. I'm going way past the recommended amount of time that it's supposed to be in there. Way past it. But hopefully that doesn't matter. We're about to wash it out, and hopefully it sticks a little bit. Well, not exactly the way we wanted it, but I mean, I'm still a cute bitch, so who cares? And here we are back again, my Aunt Krista's kitchen, and you know what that means. So, we got a treat today. We are making steak stuffed with crab and shrimp. These are the crabs right here. Look at them, monstrous. We could read wild king crab names. Big boy. You see the steak? Big boy. You see her interrupting my damn intro.
You don't put this cereal
And we
up.
also got potatoes, big potatoes, and broccoli. Here's the shrimp. So we having baked potatoes with broccoli, big ass steak, big ass crabs. that she gotta cut up and so she can stuff it.
She gotta do every damn thing.
Ooh, you think she thinks so, but nah. And we got some King Hawaiian rolls. That's just a treat, cause you know who don't love those. Who don't love those? But you see the vision. Y'all gonna see how good it gets to start. Oh my God, this is the pack of noodles that I left here last week.
I'm taking where they came from.
Taking it back. See how I'm glad y'all ain't eat them. This is my shit. I bought this.
Oh,
niggas don't know about this. That's why they didn't eat it. They thought it was nasty, but they fucked up with that one. No. Dry, because I'm only putting butter in mine.
Yeah, right. Don't act like you want to fix yours better than everybody else.
I am.
Because if that's the case, that's what I'm going to do with the rest of the food. I'm going to do mine.
You can't do that because I'm going to be eating it and I'm going to be telling you.
Do mine.
I'm going to be telling you you can't. Nope, no. That's not right.
Oh, no.
Nope, that ain't right. Do it again.
Yeah, right.
YouTube, did she mess it up?
Well, yeah, if I mess it up, y'all gonna know. If I mess it up, everybody's gonna know.
Y'all gonna know.
See, you see this right here? Know. This right here.
Y'all know I let you know if it hit.
You see this right here?
Man, you
it's good to keep this
thing.
on. Why? Because the juice is from the fat. So it's good to leave it on and let it make it extra juicy. And then you can take it off after. Everybody, a nice pocket that fit the king crab meat inside. That's good enough. That's good.
That's not a good pocket.
It's nothing good enough for you until the food is done. See, cause this is called steak and chop seasoning.
They don't care.
Oh my God!
You better fix that. You better
steak
fix it. She see, I told y'all she was gonna fuck it up.
Don't. That's what she always says. And then when the end of the results come out,
that was a big one. That was a big mess up.
Crystal.
Hey, you can't act like you can't. You didn't just mess up.
Do you see how big the steak is? Well, there you go.
Yeah,
it's a big ass steak.
We'll see.
It's gonna taste good. Calm down, Gina.
Well, you already turned it on.
Look at her.
You already turned it on. You butt white.
I can't believe you saying stuff like that. That is just truly back to your How much torment do I have?
Oh my goodness! You act like I called you a freaking something.
That was
a butt white.
Butt wipe. Anything else would be better than a butt wipe.
Dang, niggas can't even handle being called a butt wipe, girl. That's crazy. I do, cause you a butt wipe.
All the time.
I told you I wasn't cutting it up as soon as you said you want. As soon as I said, look at this,
it's already
and you
cut.
said you want to get in. I said I ain't cutting it, and then you said, okay,
easy to get in.
So look at that. Yep. So then you do it, and don't take all long.
Keep it up. Keep it up. You're gonna be cooking by yourself.
You're right, and you ain't getting nothing.
Look talking. I am gonna hurt you. I'm gonna hurt you. You really have the balls.
If I'm throwing away food, telling me that kids in Africa don't get to eat, that's not gonna make me want to eat the food. I'm full, nigga. Like, what do you want me to do? Like, wait, no.
Mozzarella cheese.
You got
I think we should put the cheese on the top or something like that.
I don't think you should put it on top. I think we should put it with the mix.
I think we should.
It's gonna taste good on the seafood. Then it'll be like, I don't want too much cheese.
Okay, we can put some mozzarella cheese inside here.
You don't got any other cheese?
That's what I'm saying. What kind of cheese do you? I think it's mozzarella and is it American cheese?
We have sharp cheddar, and you don't even have mozzarella cheese.
This is American. But
well, how are you suggesting mozzarella cheese? You don't even have it.
Calm down. Bam. What? Did you read? Did you say you know how to read? This is called
how can I read it with it face down?
Cheese. Shredded.
See, that's why you're an ass wipe, yo.
Oh,
a butt wipe, I mean.
Because you.
Yeah, but how could I read it if it wasn't where there's 4 cheeses in one area, but there's 1 cheese that's not in the area, and I'm the fuck up. Oh, all right, okay, okay.
Yeah,
I said I wanted a little bit of cheese.
Well, there's a little bit of cheese.
Look at how raggedy that steak is. This is some bull. This is gonna be some bullshit, like but at least it's gonna taste good. It's gonna look raggedy. It's gonna look raggedy as hell. angle.
That's called tender steak.
This is gonna be fucking disaster. It's gonna look like a disaster, but I promise it's gonna hit. Shit,
right.
y'all ain't gotta overstuff y'all shit like she did. But I mean, hey, the bigger the better, the messier the better. The taste. There you go. Yeah, go ahead and do that. That's not big enough. That's not big enough to wrap.
I know.
Wrap it.
Damn, foiled again. Was like,
dang,
wait,
all in my camera.
Move your camera out the way. No, you didn't. Move your daggone camera out the way.
You work. That's why I'm gonna mute this.
That's why you what? Abuse me.
Mute this. I don't abuse you. Oh my God, did y'all hear that, bro? Yo, you really act like I'm a fucking slave master. Damn, I'm a slave master for real.
Yeah.
Hey, well, get to work. Yeah, do it better so I don't have to whip you, nigga.
For you long time.
Yep.
You got invested, and I got. And
I ain't even got employees, but I got employees, nigga.
You got.
Oh my God.
This is not the first one. This is the first one with
Chef
seafood,
Ya and
but
Chef
this is-
Christy. As you can see, success. I know they know what it is. It's a damn baked potato
This is the
and broccoli with steak stuffed with shrimp and crab.
You have to say what kind of steak. It's a ribeye. A bone
Dang, tell 'em
ribeye
then.
steak. A bone
Jesus
ribeye
Christ,
steak.
she can't wait. She loves saying it.
We have to say how
That's
much
not
it weighs,
important.
which I don't know. How
The
much it
thing,
weighs,
only
but
thing
it
that
was-
matters is the taste. That's what we're here for, and that's what we've achieved. Thank you very much.
We didn't achieve it yet.
I'll
You
be
have to
back.
taste it.
I'll be back with
You
the
have to
results.
taste.
As you can see, ain't much left.
Told y'all niggas,
Ain't much
I
too
told y'all
left.
niggas.
And
Y'all thought I was playing, but I told y'all.
that's how we just do it over here, man. I can't lie, and I love it.